What is MedPay and how does it work? And how can you help people navigate that process?
Sure. Okay, so MedPay, otherwise known as medical payment coverage, is a portion of someone's insurance, typically auto insurance, but could be homeowners insurance as well too, that you may have that's available to pay for anyone who's injured in an accident. And it's also a no fault. So it doesn't matter if you're at fault for causing the accident or if somebody else is at fault for causing the accident. It's a pool of money that's there to pay for medical expenses. So let's say, for example, that you are in a car with someone, you're a passenger, you're driving around, and you get rear-ended. Okay, and the driver has MedPay coverage under their policy. Not only does the driver have a pool of money available to pay for his medical expenses, but you also, as a passenger in his vehicle, also have the same benefit as well too. So this is now you can pay for your emergency room, you can pay for x-rays, you can pay for a lot of things that way too. So it's a good way of especially for someone who doesn't necessarily have the best health insurance,
Sure,
or maybe has Medi-Cal or Medicare. It's a way to be able to have additional funds to help out with the medical expenses.
and that's something that you can help navigate, or you can help them access that money.
Yeah, we definitely can. So, an injured person can tap into their own MedPay themselves, but what some injured people don't understand or don't realize is, like in the example I gave you, that there are other applicable policies of insurance that they didn't purchase themselves, but
Yeah.
Technically they are known as an additional insured under the policy. So again, if you're a passenger in a vehicle, you're an additional insured under the driver's policy. And so we know where to tap into that. One of our first jobs when we take a case on is to look at, well, where are all the applicable policies of insurance? What are all the benefits we have to help the client out right away? And what does that look like? What does that universe look like? Because then we can start advising them as to, potentially how they can pay for the medical coverage, what kind of coverage or what kind of care they can get, and how to pay for it.